Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preventing more damage. Tuck the sweater on a flat table and flip it inside out if accessible. Thread a blunt tapestry needle with matching yarn or a small length from a seam. Shorter yarn reduces bulk. Once done, gently pull the loose loop to its original tension without stretching surrounding stitches. Make a small overhand knot or use a tiny stitch to anchor the loop. This secures the fabric, so you can move into reinforcing the area without creating a visible bump. Now reweaving replaces missing structure. Locate the path of the original knit rows and work with those columns. You insert the needle from the inside and follow the knit pattern, passing yarn under the same loops the machine used. This restores the fabric's integrity. Once you've woven across the gap, make small back and forth tacking stitches to distribute stress. Make sure to match the tension of adjacent stitches. Too tight makes a pucker, too loose leaves a snag. Take short breaks to compare both sides for evenness. Finish by anchoring the yarn tail. Make 3 tiny securing stitches, then weave the tail back into the knit for 1 to 2 inches before trimming. This hides and stabilizes. Once done, smooth the area with your fingers and lightly press with a cloth and low-heat iron if the fiber allows. If you notice a pucker, loosen a couple of earlier stitches and retension. If runs restart or multiple stitches are damaged, apply a dot of clear fabric glue sparingly, or take the sweater to a mender for advanced repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.